myself Abhishek Kumar Bhatt. I am taking the physics over here. And this is our physics lab. Here we have physics hours, all equipment. For example, this setup is for basic guidance for whatever equipment we use. Just a simple pendulum, stopwatch, mirror stand, optical benches there. Yes, sir. And sir, glasses over is there. Please.
All the equipment are having for senior secondary years also.
Yes, sir.
Can you please see what are the practical we do for senior secondary?
So can you
list of the senior secondary practical
list of this variable resistance so that we can
spectrometer also.
Yes, sir.
You got spectrometer?
Spectrum.
No, sir. These are not spectrometers. I need some meter beads, sir. And for another set of experiment, just we have prepared the ammonium chloride solution so that we can use it and find its EMF using the Lagrange cell with a carbon rod, and zinc is also inside it. Then next,
But you got chemistry lab separately, no? Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Chemistry lab is totally separate.
totally separate, sir.
This is physics lab only.
And this is for another set of experiment. This is what we call based on semiconductor, chapter 14 of class 12 on genodiode. So working on the basis of reverse breakdown. And same chapter belongs to another. Yes, sir.
Potentiometer.
Potentiometer, yes. Here is potentiometer. So you can see 1, 2, and 3 potentiometers.
But how they do individually or joining?
Oh, students, sir.
They have to do individually.
How
What numbers strength per batch?
16, sir.
Strength of batch.
Yes, sir.
So they have individually they can do.
Circuit
Now the equipments for the individually.
equipments are they used individually?
Yes, sir. They use in groups, sir, and sometimes they use it individually also.
Now you must give them practice for individually. So that practical exam they do separately.
Yes, sir. For practical exam, they do separately. Yes, sir. Right.
Okay, good. Okay, now you move on to chemistry lab.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, everybody. I am guest of teaching chemistry. Teaching chemistry.
What are the classes you are handling?
Yes, ma'am. Totally. Register we all will maintain. Biology lab, ma'am. Sure, sir. Sure. Ma'am, please.
Good morning, ma'am.
Remove your mask and then speak.
Good morning, ma'am. Myself Kumari Garima. I teach in class 9 to 12th biology, PGT biology. And here I done in an experiment in biology, 11th, 12th and 19th also.
Ma'am, please show your stock register.
Yeah, my stock register have lab assistance.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Jars. Yes, ma'am. Please show the jars.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, they preserve specimens, not reserve in living animals. And some plants also, just like of fern, pinus, and some experiment done in the class 12, just like of pollen germination and DNA isolation.
Because there are some schools got exceptions because they don't allow the dissection to in the lab.
Okay.
So dissection also.
No, dissection not done in an animal. Animals not dissecting, only plant dissecting.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Any
After,
other? Can you see a stop register? Sorry, sir. Sorry. Model for digestive system and all that. Not model of not, but charts. Charts available.
Charts are available, sir. Not
But not models of digestive system. Please speak.
better if that will be more visible and even more visual than
Charts. Okay.
how case models are available, you can do the parts and fix it.
Okay.
All design consumable
Yeah.
models are
Some.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Some. This is a explanatory system. Makes a student. Sir.
okay, right.
Okay. Thanks. And then charts here is available in hanging on the wall, sir. That's eye, human eye, and human circulatory system also, and human arterial system. And sir, here plant cell. Please see. Sir, human blood.
Okay, sir. Because of light reflection, because of windows light reflection.
Computer lab.
Okay, sir. Please explain. Introduce yourself and remove your mask. Remove your mask.
Myself Rashmi Kumari. I am teaching from 9th to 10th classes.
What subject?
Okay, computer science. Actually, I am teaching computer science.
How many systems we have?
Sir, 25, sir.
What is the strength of each class?
What is the strength of each class?
Each class are actually, yes sir,
Speaking too loud.
Yes.
One PC per one student or two students one PC?
yes
Okay.
sir, yes sir.
One student or two students are in PC?
Yes sir, 2 students.
Ma'am, two students each PC.
Okay.
Sorry, sir.
Yes, sir. Some practical
Practice.
Okay. Right. You can carry on. Next. Stop which I want to be.
Okay. Sir, give me 5 minutes. Okay, sir. Give me 5 minutes. I show you all the registers. Okay. Next, sir.
I am Umashankar Prasad. Sir.
Remove your mask. And then explain.
Myself, Umashankar Prasad. Sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. This is your math lesson.
Happy to see you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Yeah, carry on.
Carry on.
Maths is very important queen of all subjects.
Yeah, ma'am.
The children need.
I think for this,
It's
whatever.
very difficult or easy.
What, sir?
Maths is easy for all of us.
Yes, sir.
That's very easy for all of us.
No, ma'am. No, sir. sir, it is not for easy for us, for all of us there, sir. For particular student there, sir. Because some student, it is.
It was not the teacher.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It was not the teacher to answer.
But
Yes,
sir,
sir.
also depends on the student.
Also depends on the students and sir, they from where they are the locating from there they are coming there, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, carry on.
Okay.
Carry on, please.
Okay.
Explain.
This is this all are the pyramid. Here are the say about the pyramid there. The two different things, but the two one main over the differences between the pyramid and pyramid, sir.
That's not. I you break this नहीं जाना.
Pyramid, sir, this is things, sir. Here all the pyramid there, sir. Again about the different types of geometrical shapes, sir. Yes, sir. So, okay, sir. And here are the some of the you can see there, sir. Some of the there are the cubes of the cubes, and there are the geometrical ones instruments, sir. Here are the this is the tape. This is used for the measuring the length here. Okay, sir.
Pencil map, at least one lab, is just using it, we got to see how they are using it.
How they are using it. Okay, sir. Okay, I got it, sir. I got it, sir. Next time I will be careful.
Okay, okay,
Any other questions, sir? With ma'am from
the guys in the class.
What, sir?
Guys in the math lab.
I don't have any. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Are you able to? Is the visible, sir? Sir, it's a visible.
Right to click on the gun. No, okay.
Good afternoon, sir.
Clarity is there.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is.
Library.
Click the library, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please remove
My
your
name
mask.
is. My name is.
Remove your mask and talk.
Okay, sir. This is my library, sir.
Let them explain how the library activities are doing it.
Yes, ma'am. Where, sir? Yes, sir.
Sorry, ma'am.
Sitting area and dining table.
Sir, this is the sitting area.
Yeah. So library seems to be open for like this woman.
Sir, actually we have not used this area right now.
That's fine. Seems like an examination.
Yeah, I know, sir. I know. Actually, we are not in this area, and still we are working.
Okay, you are very much well, I say in a place where people have to use. Let me see that magazines, periodicals, reading
sir.
area.
Sir, show the
What are the
matrix and
max you are using?
periodicals.
This side, sir.
You have internet accessibility, sir.
Speak out.
This book issue registration for class 12.
So show the stock register, sir.
Stock register, sir. It's stock register,
Are
sir.
they allowed to borrow the books from library for reading?
Do you issue books to the student?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Class 2, class 6 to 12, ma'am.
Getting card. Issue card.
Show us one card, issue card.
Issue,
sir,
not
I-
any type of card issued,
Use,
ma'am.
ma'am. Right.
Only registered
Issue
medicine.
register use, ma'am.
Killer ma'am, card very low.
Just show us the register.
Okay.
Last entry, show us the number.
Last entry.
Last page of the.
Stop.
Ma'am, because of COVID, we are not, last entry of register.
Last entry of the
Stop.
accession register.
Ma'am,
Camera
last.
near to that register.
Okay. Okay. Sir, it is visible.
Yes.
Up.
It is accession register, sir.
Show us the last page.
Last
This
page,
is,
ma'am.
ma'am, this is the last page.
7,960, ma'am.
Video.
How many units are there?
Sir, 12 urinary and boys toilet is 18, sir. Number of boys toilet is 80. Sorry, yes, sir. Girls toilet. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
TDS. Ma'am, that we have not measured.
120.
120. It's near about 120, ma'am. Hello.
Sorry, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. हाँ जी मैम, हाँ जी. Yes, ma'am. Action. And ma'am, good morning, sir.
I am Intensity English, and today I will one.
Please speak loudly and slowly.
Yes, my name is Babita Kumari. I am English teacher of KCT, and today we teach in class 9A. Our topic is Happy Prince, and
Sir. Sir. Okay, okay, sir. Just a minute. Sir, sir, this is visible. This is visible. Okay, okay, sir. आप उसमें क्या करें?
in his swamp. Why did he want to part with the gold that he had and his peace?
Sir, next class.
Behind him was the city on a tall.
Ma'am, introduce yourself.
Myself Rajni Sharma, I am PGT Geography sir in DAV Nageshwar Public School. This is class 12 arts.
Ma'am, speak soon.
Yeah, you can start actively, sir.
Yes
I
sir.
want the argument.
Observe करें. You can start.
So this is the chapter 4 human development. Sit down children. Human development. The subtopic is growth and development. Pillars of human development, approaches of human development. There are 3 main subtopics in this chapter. One by one I will teach you. First, growth and development. Growth, it means continuous growth. Okay, and development, it means in this negative and positive approaches both. Second is pillars of human development. There are 4 pillars of human development. Equity, sustainability, productivity and empowerment.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes.
Can we interact with the children?
Yes, sir. Sure, sure. Sure, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Remove your mask.
Afternoon.
My name is Akansha Kumari of class 12 from art section.
Yeah. So you are interested in offline classes rather than online, am I right?
Yes, sir.
You are not interested in. What is the reason?
What is the reason
You
for
can
it?
learn from online also. What is the benefit of learning physical class and online class?
Sir, I guess that online class we are not clearly understand, but in offline class we clearly understand what ma'am teach us and what we do also practical. But in online class that's not possible, sir. So I guess offline classes is good.
12 science class. Please introduce yourself and
I am Muhammad Pandey.
please remove your mask and speak loudly and slowly.
I am Muhammad Pandey, PGT from mathematics. I am teaching class
Good, super.
11th and 12th.
Sir, is it here? Sir, it is fast idea. Can you repeat the question, please? What is the topic you are
Tangent and normal. Application of derivative.
Application of
Derivative. This topic is tangent and normal.
And this is vacant class, but ma'am is online classes taking right now. This is smart class. Ma'am, introduce yourself and how to teach online class.
Sir, myself is Preeti Pal. I am teaching science. My subject is science, and I am the principal of class 8. And okay, and I have taken online classes too. Okay, sorry, sir.
Your voice is spring.
Speak loudly. Sir, myself Preeti Pal. I am a teacher of class 8, and I am taking science subject. Okay, sir. I am taking. Sir, I have taken online classes through Google Form.
She is taking online classes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, this is the staff room. Our staff room. Sir, this is our staff. And they are our teachers right now in the staff room.
Yeah. Let's meet you all. Good.
Say numbers.
Common topic, right?
Please come forward and remove your mask, ma'am, and come forward. And yes, sir. बोल रहे हैं कि आप लोगों से मिलके काफी अच्छा लगा।
थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू सर। थैंक यू सर। आंसर तो कीजिए।
Thank you so much. We are also happy for the
म्यूजिक रूम।
Music man, you are wearing a very nice, beautiful sari.
Ma'am, introduce yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
We like to sing a song, ma'am. Now, to sing, otherwise we will not leave you.
Okay, sing a song, ma'am, please. Sir, otherwise sir will not leave you. Just a minute.
2 lines, sir. जीवन तुमने दिया है संभालोगे तुम, जीवन तुमने दिया है संभालोगे तुम, आशा हमें है विश्वास है, हर मुश्किल से विधाता निकालोगे तुम, हर मुश्किल से विधाता निकालोगे तुम। थैंक यू सर।
Yes, ma'am. I'll just show you.
Can you show the exhibits of students that have done something, no?
Yes, sir.
Which classes? Maybe first to 8?
First to 8, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. It's the first to 8. They are making all art and craft.
So are they doing any online art and craft classes for the children?
Yes, sir. Explain online classes में आप art and craft कराते हैं?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What do you teach through online, sir?
Such as shapes, object, and 3D forms, 2D forms.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And
Can you show something which you have done? Recorded class available, online recorded classes?
Online recorded classes हैं आपके पास कुछ available?
yes, sir.
जो आपने कराया है और बच्चों ने किया?
Yes, sir. जैसे ये कार्ड मेकिंग सर, दिस इज कार्ड मेकिंग,
कार्ड मेकिंग एक्टिविटी सर,
कार्ड मेकिंग एक्टिविटी सर, नेचर्स ड्राइंग सर, जैसे रंगोली डिजाइन्स, पैटर्न्स।
अभी डिजाइन नहीं दिख रहा है, थोड़ा उसको ऊपर उठाओ मोबाइल को। हाँ,
यस
ये कौन सा है? रंगोली। ओके,
यस सर।
स्लाइड
ये नेचर्स ड्राइंग्स मैम।
ओके,
यस मैम।
सर आपकी क्वालिफिकेशन क्या है ड्राइंग सर?
ये चंडीगढ़ से।
हाँ, yes, ma'am. We have 2 beds. Please.
और क्या क्या रखा?
क्या लगे?
BP machine. Yes, ma'am. Myself, Babli Kumari. Here on table we keep BP machine and stethoscope and mask, sanitizer, and ma'am ये first aid treatment we give children. That's why we give first aid treatment objects.
What sort of?
Yes, ma'am.
Patients come.
Yes, ma'am.
बच्चों की क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं?
Usually, ma'am, they have a stomach problem usually, and ये सिर में दर्द होता है, हेडेक हो जाता है मैम उन लोगों को। तो मैम हम लोग के पास मेडिसिन है, वो उनको देते हैं, या बाम है हमारे पास, तो वही हम लोग उनको प्रोवाइड करते हैं। यस मैम, अगर
कोई सीरियस प्रॉब्लम आ जाते हैं ना, तो हम लोग फिर उनको कांटेक्ट करते हैं, उनसे पूछते हैं कि ऐसा ऐसा प्रॉब्लम है, तो कुछ वैसा कुछ है, हम लोग दे सकते हैं कि नहीं। ये फर्स्ट एड ट्रीटमेंट होता है मैम, ये हम लोग डॉक्टर से के पास पहले पहुंचने से पहले यहाँ देते हैं। यस मैम। यस मैम। फर्स्ट एड।
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself, Salja Mishra. I am PGT Commerce. I am teaching accountancy, and I have done M.Com in accountancy and B.Ed also.
How long you are working here?
From 3 years, sir.
How long you are in this school?
From 3 years, sir.
Previously?
Previously, 3 years in Kolkata, St. Thomas School.
How your salary are paid through bank or cash?
Through bank, sir.
Salary.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Gayatri ma'am, your call.
Which bank? How many students do you have in accounts?
This year only 5 students, ma'am.
So commerce has only 5 students?
Yes, ma'am.
And are they coming to school?
Yes,
Have you
ma'am.
prepared them for
Yes.
this first term examination?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. They all are attending classes offline, and they also attended all exams.
Okay.
Next.
So you are making them ready for MCQ questions?
Yes,
Are they
sir.
all thorough?
Yes, sir.
Assertion, reasoning questions
Yes,
and all?
yes, sir. Case-based also.
Fine. Good.
Thank you,
Shall we
sir.
have next?
Me Kalpagam.
Speak
Namaste.
loudly.
Yeah.
Me Kalpagam
You can
Shiva.
say about yourself, your schooling, college, your experience in the present school.
Okay, sir.
How do you feel? Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir. I am a chemistry teacher. I had my PGT in chemistry, and also other than that I did my master in social work counseling through IGNOU. Also presently I am pursuing MA in education. Just I started this year, MA in education. And schooling I did in my native, that is South India. Schooling and college I have done there, and later I came to Ranchi 20 years, 24, around 22 years back I came here. Years before I came
When you
here
are working in this,
for 3 years, 3.5 years.
मैम थैंक यू। आपकी तो क्लास भी ऑब्जर्व करी थी हमने, लैब में थे आप।
Yes, sir.
You were in the lab ना?
Yes, ma'am. I was in the
Thank you,
lab.
ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Sit down.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
My name is Abhishek Kumar and I am a PGT Physics. Yes, sir. Sir, am I audible to you?
Yes.
Yeah, audible, please.
Yes,
Carry
sir.
on.
Yes, sir. My name is Abhishek Kumar and I am PGT
Little
Physics.
louder, please.
Sir, my name is Abhishek Kumar. I am PGT Physics and I am taking classes of senior secondary.
Yeah, seeing you in the lab. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Slowly, sir, slowly.
So how you are training them for JEE NEET classes in your regular period? Are your children going extra classes, or you are taking care of both entrance as well as CBSE exam?
Sir, during the classes, after the completion of the textbook or CBSE course, we give an extra time for the student so that they can prepare for the JEE and All India Institute of Medical NEET.
How many hours per day?
Sir, almost 45 minutes classes there every day.
45-minute classes.
Yes, sir.
Good.
DGT experience of 4 years, and I am PG in political science, and I have just joined the 1 month before. I have just joined the school. I am new teacher of this school.
So you are teaching 11th and 12th political science?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me something about our constitution?
Constitution.
Yes, constitution is a written statement which should be followed by all the citizens of the country. It is in simple word we can say that it is a rules and regulation which citizens have to follow.
Only citizens?
All the peoples of the country or
Government को ही follow करना है?
yes, everyone every sector like government or politicians and everyone have to follow the
Okay, thank you. Ma'am,
Private sector and public sector plays a major role in the growth of a country economics.
So both are equal for a growth of equally valuables, supported or participate in our economic development. But this time all programs will. I'm sorry, sir.
okay, sure.
So both are equal to growth in economics.
You have to follow with experiential learning and collaborative learning so that they connect to the everyday life.
Yes, sir. It is the
Education policy concentrating on that. There should not only a book oriented, which when they come out, they are not able to face the real world.
yes, sir. It is relate to day-to-day life.
How they take information, what is the country including reducing registration rate, especially during this pandemic period, what are the steps are being taken by the government of India and your own state so that they can have a normal life of economics.
Yes.
All these have to be connected, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And utility value is very important. How it differs from day to day and person to person. All
Yes.
these have to be taken care.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Connect the life, economics, and everything. Right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
A class teacher of class 6. I'm taking class 6 English. I'm TGT teacher. And my qualification is MA.
Voice is buffering, ma'am.
Speak loudly.
My name, I have to say again.
Sir.
Continue.
सर एक्चुअली मैम की वॉइस इतनी ही है, इससे ज़्यादा मैम हाई पिच पे नहीं जा सकती हैं. प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
She has to reach the last bench now.
Sir.
She should have a very good commendable voice so that.
Yes, I can say, sir. I can say it. I don't. In classroom, my voice is little bit low.
Yeah, very good. Then you have a good smiling. That's enough.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Just introduction.
Okay, next.
Next one.
I'm TGT Commerce and now I'm taking class 11, 12 and my subject thought is business study.
And your qualification.
Business study, yeah, very important subject.
Yes, sir.
How you can make the children to be the entrepreneur or industrialist? What is that ideas you are giving for the children? Can you teach this?
Yeah, entrepreneur is a very vital rules in the business segment. Nowadays, many of students want to become a career built in the entrepreneurs. Okay, so first of all, some importance view under the students we will get in the mind effective manner and innovative ideas, okay, and also some concepts from the business, just like in the current scenario of the business
For
model.
example, the children want to prepare the budget for this, especially the Diwali festival. How you are helping them preparing the budget for the Diwali?
Sir, I am not getting your voice clearly, sir. Say, would you want to, sir?
Thank you.
Well,
Thank you so much.
thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.